Hey, wow, I thought this was a pretty cool meter here. Just wanted to give you a flyby on it. It's really cool. It looks really retro, and it's kind of hard to show you that. But there's a nice deep black back there. There's 3 little hash marks there, a couple of hash marks there. So that's where you kind of make some adjustments. Let's kind of flip around to the back. Let me throw a ruler on this. 3.5. Price says it's all in the description too. It's about 3. Hey, well, what about these screws? Well, guess what? You get a whole package of them right there. Boy, I wish I knew what the size of that's cut it out. Bam! Look at this. You're getting this too. So if you need to cut a hole in the device, let me throw a ruler on that just so you guys know. That right there is, looks like 2 3/4. Yeah, it's probably easier to do it that way. 2 3/4. All right, well,